So one of the questions I get asked a lot is, how often should the Enlightener be used? And actually, that's going to differ from person to person based on what you're hoping to achieve with it. So if you have a serious diagnosis or you're really hoping to reverse something, then you'll want to use it probably multiple times a week. But if you just want to lose weight and feel better and go from strength to strength and be in the cleansing lifestyle, then even just using it once a week is phenomenal. You will just excel physiologically, mentally, emotionally, energetically, spiritually, just by using it once a week. So I hope that really helps. I think a lot of people hear that the members are using it very frequently and they feel that they have to do likewise. They feel that, well, if they've heard that someone's using it 3 or 4 times a week or even every day, that that's what's required. Not at all. That's totally optional, and it just really depends on your process, your approach to cleansing, what you're trying to accomplish. There's so many factors. Even your lineage, where you come from, how long your lineage has been exposed to toxicity is going to have an effect on how frequently you'll want to use it. But there's so many factors that go into it. So it's what works for you, what you're trying to achieve, what your symptoms are, what your lineage is, where you live, the level of toxicity you're exposed to, the amount of toxic substances you've consumed in your lifetime. All of those factors will play a role, and with all that taken into account, you'll know exactly how often to use it for you. But really, just using it once a week and just see what the outcome is just with that alone. I mean, even twice a month would be phenomenal. I mean, you're going to be removing huge quantities of matter even just using it twice a month. So think about what once a week would mean to you. There's no hard and fast rule. It's all about what works for you. The most important thing is that you move large amounts of waste out of your body. If you're doing that, you're cleansing, you're doing brilliantly, and all of the supplements in the world will not amount to that. You can't put things in order to remove and have the success that you will have by removing the waste that you'll remove when you use your Enlightener. So there's nothing you can do to put in that's going to do for you what all that waste coming out is going to do for you. That's the way to look at it. And that can be on a very small scale. That small scale is going to have a huge impact. And if you have the time and the inclination, the desire to use it more frequently, then that will just basically compound the great results that you'll wind up being able to look forward to. So, or you'll wind up experiencing. So just get it, use it, and you're off to the races. You're in the cleansing lifestyle. You're in the game. You're at the party.